welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this wig review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you'll get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today we're going to look at a brand new style for fall of 2022 by Noriko. This is Harlow, and the color on this one is Silver Stone. More on her in just a minute. Start taking a look at Harlow. So we decided at Pinky Promise to show this one in to show a longer style in one of their gray shades. So the color on this one is a very pretty popular color called Silver Stone. So lots of white and silver in the front, and then a little bit darker going towards the ends and in the back. So really, really pretty color. Harlow is a pretty style, just kind of a shag, medium, length style. She's got a lot of body, and this is all of these wigs in this collection are all basic cap wigs. So she does have quite a bit of permatease up here on the top. So you don't have any monopart or any lace front. So one good thing about that is that means you can part it wherever you want to. So, you can throw the hair over this way, throw it back over this way. It came kind of parted on this left-hand side, so I just, stuck with that. But I do see a lot of appearance of permatease on the top with this one. So that's just something to note, about this style. And I also can kind of see the cap on this light color. So, just be aware of that. I think it kind of shows right there in the front. And so I just like to, point out the things that I'm seeing on this particular wig that's on my head. But so of course you don't have any, lace front. You don't have a lace part. This is not a rooted color either. So, you're not going to have any rooting up there along your part. So, but I think this style is meant to be fluffed up and have a lot of body and have a lot of volume. So if that is your thing, then this would be a good style for you. Now you can, keep raking through this permatease, and I have heard that you can get it to calm down that way, but I have never, whenever they have this kind of nesty appearance, I have never been able to completely get rid of that nesty appearance. So, just something to note. I'm just trying to tell you what I see on the wig, and, not criticizing it. This is just the nature of this type of a style. A basic cap that doesn't have any mono features. You're going to have that permatease, and this is meant to have some volume. So let me show you the ear tabs. I've got good coverage around the face, and there's plenty of hair, on those ear tabs. She's kind of layered, as you can see, so she's really, really pretty to style, and, for half up, half down, and to put her up in a little ponytail and stuff like that. So cap-wise, this is considered to be a petite average cap. It's fitting me, sorry, a little bit of flyaways. It's fitting me fine ear to ear, and there's a little extra forehead to nape. So it's fitting me pretty much average. I did not have to bring in the adjusters though. So it might be a little tight, if you go above 22 inch or above average, in the circumference, that is. So, because there's not a ton of stretch. There's a little stretch in the circumference, but not as stretchy as other caps, that I have seen that are, a smaller head size like this. So anyway, Noriko has a reputation for running a little bit, on the smaller side. And I think they're considered to be petite average. So, okay, let me do a turn so you can see her all the way around. I forgot I didn't do a turn. Then we'll talk about all her measurements. So here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. So as I said, she's got really nice body, really pretty movement, as you can see. So, okay, so the measurements for her are 7.5 inches here in the front. She has an 11-inch layer here from the crown, and then her nape back here is 9.4 inches. So plenty of hair to make her not too long, but to give you enough to do some fun styling with. So, and then weight-wise, she's coming in about 5 ounces. So, okay, I'll pop her off and I will show you the interior of her cap. Okay, so here is that top. This is what I'm talking about. You can definitely see and you can feel that kind of nesty, and that's just the best word I can think of to describe it, kind of quality to that permatease. So, and like I said, you can play with these fibers and just kind of try to work over that, but everywhere that I was changing the part to, I was still seeing a little bit of that tease. So, okay, show you the interior of the cap here. All right, so she's got just your basic cap there on the top. And then, sorry, I must have got a little makeup on there. But, you know, just a soft strip that lays across your forehead there. And she's got just that same, this is like a mesh kind of, it's not really lace. It's like a mesh material. It's on the ear tabs as well. And then there's a good piece of metal on there to keep that flush up against your face. Open wefted all through the cap. Pull adjusters. She does not have an extended nape, which I think would be nice that if she did. But I think they're just trying to keep the, you know, the cap construction basic and keep the price point down. So there is stretch in the cap, but like I said, not a ton of stretch in the circumference. Okay, let's take a look at this color. So like I said, this color is called Silver Stone. Very, very pretty silvery gray, as you can see. So lighter up here on the top, and then we go down into this, you know, darker silver gray color. So, okay, so the description for Silverstone is a blend of a medium brown, a medium gray, and silver that's darker at the nape and with a silvery white front. So just pretty much like I said. So you can see that lighter silver here, silvery white up there at the front, very pretty. And then you go into this, they say medium brown and gray blend with some silver. But I don't, it definitely looks gray. I don't see a medium brown in there. So they must have blended, I think that pretty much blended out. And then I'll show you the nape here. So it's going to be a little darker under there. But as you can see, it's not rooted or anything, so. Look at glasses and styling and all that fun stuff. So she's easy to tuck behind the ears. You know, it's interesting. She has a lot of permatease up here on the top because they have to cover that top with permatease. There's nothing else, you know, they have to have something to cover that cap. But when you get down here on the sides and in the back, I'm not feeling permatease. So she gets lower density as you go away from the top. So she's really easy to tuck behind the ears. She just has, you know, the volume up here on the top. So okay, so glasses work really easily with her, no problem. You can put them up on your head. I would tuck the hair first, you know, and then you can put your glasses, your readers, your sunglasses, whatever, up on your head. She looks really cute with a headband. Now, of course, you're gonna wanna keep that, you know, something across your forehead there since you don't have any lace front, but she looks really cute with a headband. And if you want to, of course, you can pull down this, you know, bang layer around the face a little more. You could do that on both sides. That looks pretty. And then you can also, she's got enough length on these sides for you to put her in a half up, half down. And you can get a nice little bump up there on top, which looks pretty. And then she's real cute to put in a ponytail or up in a twist or whatever. These, you know, bang layers here are gonna wanna come down around the face. So, you know, you'll just have to keep those out of your face a little bit, but they look pretty framing the face like that. Now, she doesn't have an extended nape, so just be aware of your nape back there. But it's laying, you know, nice up against my neck. It's not too bad. So she looks really cute like that. So this would be a great style, you know, if you were going to be outside and you need to put the hair up. And these are regular synthetic fibers. They're not heat friendly. So, you know, they're going to be a little more durable as far as, you know, for styling and stuff. So you could also do a twist and wear her up like that. And she looks cute. You know, a little more of this might fall down with an updo, which is fine. It looks pretty, you know, around the face. So I love her body, and the cut just really makes her very, very pretty to style. So, okay, so I think she's a cute new addition to the Noriko styles. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information down below this video, so there's always a link to purchase down below the reviews. I thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.